Let's see how to draw a box in our PDF with Adobe Acrobat. So go to your Adobe Acrobat and just open the PDF and go to the location where you want to add a box. Then go to tool section. Under all tools, you have to find out this comment. Click on that. And here click on this add shape or drawing tool. Here you can select rectangle tool. Now simply draw a box according to your choice. Now right click inside of the box and open properties. Here you can change your box border style or you can select no border. Then click on this fill color. You can change your box fill color from here. And you can also give some opacity to your box color just like this. And then click on OK. And you can also hold down the shift key to draw a perfect box just like this. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.